Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, air suspension, power brakes. Inside you'll find night vision enhancement system, voice activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, heads up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.